Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing PJ and the Mass Dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic PJ and the Mass Dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, I get to meet up with Catboy, because Catboy is actually one of my favoriteest superheroes of all time. I actually plan on going dressed up as him for next Halloween. And hopefully when I do it, I get a lot of candy. But what'll probably happen is everybody will look at me and they'll be like, "Ain't you too old to be trick-or-treating? I'm not giving you no candy." And then I'm going to tell them, "Just put it in the bag." That's the best I could come up with, guys. That's the best comeback I could come up with. But what you guys are going to need is you're going to need 20 blue wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need for red wool, you want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your blue wool, just like that. Right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your blue wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 red wool right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down, son of my biscuits. My biscuits will never be the same. Look at those. I'm so disappointed. Now I got flat biscuits, guys. Now I got flat biscuits. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 blue wool on this side. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 blue wool right in the middle. And then 1 red wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks really nice. But it will look even more nicer once we light it up with our flint and steel. So let's go ahead and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look nice, guys. But now it's time to head into the PJ and the Mass Dimension. This is going to be so amazing. Oh my god, guys, we finally made it, and oh my god, I knew this dimension was going to be amazing. I did not think it was going to be this amazing, guys. Oh my god. I think I'm going to need this donkey to jumpstart my heart, because I think it just skipped a beat. I think it really just skipped a beat. No. I really don't want you to jumpstart my heart. Oh my god, leave me alone. He's starting to freak me out, guys. I think he's really trying to jumpstart my heart. But wow, guys. This place is absolutely amazing. Oh my god, guys. I cannot believe I am actually looking at their secret base right now, guys. We gotta go inside. If the outside's this amazing, the inside has to be even more amazing. So let's go ahead and see what's happening on the inside. And oh my god, guys. It is like I have died and gone to heaven. So many cakes. Oh my god. How many cakes do they need? How many cakes does it take to make a man happy? Oh my God, guys. It is like they have an infinite supply of cakes. I cannot believe this, guys. I cannot believe this. And they also have a bunch of cookies. And they even have potatoes. I gotta test out these potatoes. Oh my God, guys. That is the freshest potato I have ever ate. Ever ate. Oh my God, guys. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. And they also have a double sink, and you can basically do anything with the sink. If you have a sink, you don't need a dishwasher, you don't need a bathtub, you don't need anything, guys. All you need is a sink, although you do still need a toilet. One time I went into this person's house and there was something brown floating around in their sink, and I was like, what is that? And they was like, it's soap. And I was like, that's not soap. That is the brown stuff. And I think we know what the brown stuff is. So I left that house immediately, and I never went back. I've even forgotten all of their names because I've cut them out of my life. After that happened, I don't want anything to do with them. But oh my God, guys, this place is absolutely amazing. And oh my God, there has to be something good inside these chests. I'm going to go ahead and break this open, guys. I'm going to break this cage open, and I'm going to get to the bottom of this. Hopefully there's like some kind of secret snacks, or maybe even like the enemy's weapons and stuff, guys. That would be really cool if that's what it is. But hopefully it's snacks, because I'm still pretty hungry. Even after eating that cake, and also after eating that potato, I'm still really hungry, guys. So let's go ahead and let's see what's inside these chests. Nothing inside that chest. Nothing inside that chest. Oh my God, are the items like invisible? I don't know what's happening right now. I don't think there's anything inside any of these chests. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put some of my stuff inside these chests. I'm going to stick my cakes, and I'm also going to stick some of my cookies inside the chest just to keep them safe. So if somebody comes in here, they will be safe inside that chest. Nobody knows but me and you guys. Me and you guys are the only ones that know that all my stuff are inside that chest. But let's go ahead. Let's get some more cookies, because I'm really hungry. It takes a lot to feed a big man like me. So let me go ahead and take all that, and let's go ahead and head on upstairs, guys, and see what's happening up here. Hopefully, oh my God, it's Catboy. Oh my God. I was just about to say, hopefully the upstairs is as amazing as the downstairs, but oh my God, it is. Oh my God, I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with one of my favoriteest superheroes, Catboy. Oh my God, guys, I cannot believe this. Oh my God, it is Gecko. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that I'm meeting up with Gecko, and I'm also meeting up with Catboy. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, I am totally freaking out right now. Oh my God, I am your biggest fan. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and give you a cake. Oh my God, guys, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with my favoriteest superhero right now, guys. I am freaking out so much. And oh my God, I can't believe it. And oh my God, this must be like their theater, guys. This must be like where they watch cartoons and they like play video games. And they also like probably watch their own TV show. I know I would. I would watch it all the time. I watch it all the time anyway. So, oh my God, guys. This place is absolutely amazing. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe I am actually in PJ and the Mask's theater right now with Catboy and Gecko, guys. This is absolutely insane. Oh my God, guys. Wow. I feel like every step I've ever taken in my life has led to this moment right now with you two. And it is absolutely amazing. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. Wow. I'm going to have to come back and see you guys. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to head on up the staircase and see what else is up there. So let's go ahead and head on up. I mean, I don't know if I can really call this a staircase. It's more like an elevator in my opinion. But oh my god, it's Owlette. Oh my god, it's Owlette. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that I'm actually meeting up with Owlette. Oh my god. You want to know who your super fan is, Owlette? It's my pig. He likes to think of you as Owlette. I tell him your name's Owlette, but he says Owlette sounds more. Should I say it? Should I say it, pig? He said it sounds more sexy. Yeah, he said it sounds real sexy, and I said, no, you can't be saying that. See, she's running away. See, I told you was gonna blow it. I told you. I'm sure she'll come around. She just don't like you right now because you're a pig. But once you grow that handsome pig mustache, she's gonna fall in love with you all over again. Oh my god, I think it's happening. I think they're falling in love. Are you guys in love? Yeah, I think they're in love. I think they're in love now. but hopefully you guys don't like break up and then this like ruin, like me coming over to the secret base and whatnot. It would never ruin it? Okay, yeah, because I know he's mean to me sometimes. He's mean to me sometimes, but oh my god, guys, I cannot believe I am actually in PJ and the Mask's bedroom. This is absolutely insane. I'm actually jumping on Catboy's bed with Owlette. This is absolutely insane, guys. I did not think I would ever be doing this. Oh my god. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that I am actually jumping on Owlette's bed, Catboy's bed, and Gecko's bed. You might want to get off his bed. Not on his pillows. Not on his pillows. You fart too much. Way too much. You fart way too much. But oh my god, guys, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this right now. Oh my god. You be super good, pig. You hear me? You be super good to Owlette, and don't you mess up this relationship, because I do not want to be kicked out of this secret base. You hear me, pig? He's not even listening to me. He's not even listening to me. I was there. I was there for you when you was ugly and you didn't have a mustache. Now that you have a mustache, you think you're above me, don't you? Wow. Really? This kind of treatment? You just let me talk to the butt? Really? Not to the face, just to the butt? I'm so disappointed. I am so disappointed. I'm leaving. It was nice to meet you, Owlette. It was nice to meet you. It wasn't so nice to meet you, pig. And it definitely wasn't nice to find out the real you. You know what? I'm just heading down. I'm meeting back up with the boys, Catboy and Gecko, because these are true friends, ain't you? Yeah, he's a real friend. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to give you a cookie for being a real friend. And I'm going to give you a cookie because you both deserve it. Both of you guys deserve it because you guys are the best friends ever. But wow, guys, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that I am actually in their secret base. This is absolutely insane, guys. You know what? I got to get another look at the outside of this place because it is absolutely insane, guys. It is absolutely insane. That's the only word that I can use to describe how awesome this place is. Look at it, guys. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.